Ka Coordination Register MeECL Association and Union menta kasngining kong kilai kendu yo minister jong ka state power uba Preston Tansong hakajingya kren bat kilat pathai kubor katai ka association kalaong bat kala karpat ru ya ka sarkar jala bakan simkhya ban aishibun ki project sha katai ka MeECL u president jong katai ka association uba PK Shulet ulaong baka jala ka don kalat ban penmi palat lai hajar megawatt ka boarding electric Henry kajinge kalong batang ship ho hadu khatsan persen bakadang pendon kam uba Shulet ulaong syusyuru bahakasngi kabaladep ka Meghalaya electric boat MESEB kaju Ailem ya ka power supply Shakiway ki jala kum ka jala Asam ulaong ru baka union kasngau lengo pat baka sarkar ka don jingtmu ban a ya ki project syaka MeECL hakajing yalang bod uba Preston Tansong katai ka komiti kalaya tairu halor ka jingyo jingsiu jongki nongtrei ki bakot hadu praspa sapho kro tengka ka dangsah naduh snem hajar shipeu
stated before the Honorable Power Minister that the government has failed. They have never lived up to their expectations as per the commitments which has been committed. But we are very thankful to the Honorable Power Minister today. He has given us a very firm assurance, and we do hope that we won't face any problem, be it the existing employees or the retired employees when it comes to their terminal benefits. Government is looking into this so that there will be sustainability in the financial support.
How much is the terminal benefits?
You see, as at that time, prior to corporatization, as up on 31st March 2010, it stands at 840 crores. But already MeECL has called for a tender for actual valuation. So, as per our estimates, as of now, it won't be less than 3,000 crores.
So, is the government in in the financial position to really clear this terminal benefits?
Very sure, it's there. They are working out. Ways and means are there, and we do hope, we are very positive that things are moving forward, because it has been lying there for the last 10 to 12 years, where from the revenue money, from the projects money, we have to divert for payments of terminal benefits of the employees and also the current pensioners for their pensions.
So how do the government, plans to really clear this terminal benefits? Is it in a phase manner, or how will it?
Yes, it is very true. It cannot go into one shot. There will be budgetary provisions, whatever they have worked out, separate heads will be there specifically for this, so that there won't be any diversions of funds, which it has been specifically earmarked for such funds.
The recent report of the inquiry committee that was set up by the government into the irregularities in the MeECL, this committee had recommended the government to appoint a full-fledged chair CMD of the MeECL. So what is your take on this?
First of all, we would like to thank the Power Minister for his vision. Whatever may be the case, today, I will tell you, we had a very free and frank discussion across the table. Let us be very clear on this. What is there in our mind, we have spoken out. What is there in the mind of the Power Minister, he has spoken out. And this is where we move forward. And we do hope that in the coming days, the Cabinet will take up and we are moving forward in a positive manner when it comes to the power sector of the state of Meghalaya.
So you welcome this recommendation for a full-fledged CMD of the MeECL?
We welcome.
This has been our stand.
This has been our stand. That there should be a professional running the organization. We stand by that, and we are here to support 100%.
Chamber of the Honorable Power Minister, and we have deliberated at large on various issues like terminal benefits that you are aware of. About 840 crores spending with the government that it is supposed to give to MeECL, and it has been pending since 2010, since the time when MeECL has been corporatized. We have discussed on this matter. We have also discussed on other issues like revocation of the order on the recruitment, rather I should say, which bans the recruitment in MeECL. As you are aware that till that order had come before, MeECL had the autonomy to recreate its own. But however, subsequent to that order, today there are large number of vacancies right at the field level, in the post of jugalis, technicians, and the post and level of junior engineers, assistant engineers, which are very vital posts, because MeECL being a commercial organization and a purely technical organization, we are very happy to say that in fact the minister has already has taken steps in this direction, and he has initiated some steps which is welcome. We welcome the step that he has initiated for revocation of this order and to set this process in order. Further, we have also discussed on the regularization of the contractual employees. As you are aware, more than 30%, maybe 40% of the employees today in MeECL are contractual, and we must say that we must accept the fact that without these contractual employees, perhaps it will not be possible to run the organization as it is, being a purely technical organization again. So it was very fruitful, and he has expressed his desire to take steps in this direction, and he had also initiated some steps in this direction, which we welcome, so that these contractual people who had already been serving, some of them are serving for more than 20 years, still living on meager amount of 10 to 15,000. I think we must say that it's inhuman rather. So he has agreed to these points, and we look forward to the fruitful decision coming in the near future. And we have, most importantly, we have also discussed about the potential of our state with regards to power sector. We have put forth our request for the government to consider giving more projects to MeECL, because as we know, the potential of the state is about more than 3,000 megawatts, but hardly about 10 to 15% of that has been harnessed today. And when we have the potential to generate that much of power, we are still languishing today, even after so many years. We want to see back the stories of the good old days when in the SYL MESCB, we used to have surplus of power, when we used to export power to states like Assam. We want to see those days again, and he is very much in sync with this. And in fact, we were surprised to know that he already has in his mind about giving projects to MeECL. So we welcome this move of the government, and all of us, we wish the government success in its endeavor. And furthermore, we had also discussed about reforms. I think you're aware that recently there was in the social media or in different media, there was talks about the reform which he has brought forth, and the reform that we have discussed today also goes in sync with what we feel, and we welcome the kind of reform that the government intends to bring in this sector.
Regarding the contractual